So guys, after the long drive, here we are at the Safari World in Ibra, and that's how the entrance is. So we're gonna go and take our tickets. I think you buy tickets from there on that side, and then you come and take the tickets and go in. So guys, let me take the tickets and I'll see you inside. Thank you. So guys, before we go in, let me take you back where we started and give you some basic information about the park. So we started in Muscat. It's a 2 hours drive from Muscat to it's in Ibra. So before that, we enjoyed our beautiful road trip. There were nice, very beautiful scenes on the way. It's on Nizwa Road, so the Rock Mountains, very beautiful views. Like, you don't get bored. It's a long drive, but you don't get bored. The most interesting of all was the tunnel. This tunnel was just breathtaking or amazing, if I may say. So we took the tunnel. It was nice, you know. It's beautiful, and even keeping in mind that you are under the mountains for, let's say, for around a kilometer. There are two of them. One is short, the other one is slightly longer. So that was part of the road trip, enjoying. It depends where you are coming from, but basically, you know, Muscat is usually very beautiful, regardless of where you are coming. If you love nature, Muscat is just beautiful. That's all I can say. So make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end. Once we get inside, you'll be amazed. You'll see some of the animals that you never thought they can be in Oman. Of course, they've been brought from different parts of the world. Myself, I come from Kenya. That means I grew up seeing most of the animals. But when I went inside the zoo, there were so many animals that I have never seen, like the tigers, the bears, you know, white lions. These are some of animals that I got to see when I went inside. So this was the zoo. By now we had finished the long drive and we are approaching. That's how it look from outside, and you just go. The payment is 3 riyal for the adult, and children below 5 years is free. So, and you don't have, I think you don't have to book online because we paid there at the entrance. So come with me, let's enjoy the rest of the video. Don't skip, make sure you watch up to the end and you see everything. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe. So guys, after the long drive, here we are at the Safari World in Ibra, and that's how the entrance is. So we're gonna go and take our tickets. I think you buy tickets from there on that side, and then you come and take the tickets and go in. So guys, let me take the tickets and I'll see you inside. Thank you. So this is where you take the tickets, over here. That's the entrance over there, and you buy the tickets here.
In disguise.
Yeah, it's camouflaging.
Can I touch it? What do you say it? I don't know what to say.
So here we have a place. especially for the children. You can put your head here, and once they take a picture, you will look like the animal itself. See here, there's Zagazari. Zagazari is here. You have Zagazari. Zagazari is enjoying the sun. More Zagazari. More gazelles. These are not gazelles. These are gazelles. They are Zagazari. And the Zagazari food is there. What is Zagazari food? Zagazari food. That's Zagazari food. Turtles, they have almost flat legs because of swimming.
Actually, they are right. They are tortoises.
They are tortoises, yeah.
They are Africans for tortoise.
I want to walk up to the end and see what's there at the end. Maybe there's more animals or something, I don't know. I have no idea. I don't know what is there. So those are prayer rooms. I have no idea what is there. Family, lion family here. Everyone is asleep, from the father, mother, and the children. They are all sleeping. This is an African lion. This is a lioness. And the father is there. That's a lion. It's a mother and a daughter. It's lionesses. This is a male leopard. There's a female leopard there at the corner, sleeping over there. You can tell by the size. So let's see what on this side. This place is very beautiful. There's a bear there, but it's sleeping. Here we have a desert fox. And there's another one sleeping inside there, inside the pot.
Spinning my head, it don't even matter what you think you said.
have cheetah here, the fastest animal. Why are you looking at me like that? It's the fastest animal in the world. So thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe and don't forget to like and share and tell a friend to tell a friend, yeah, so that we can grow up together and in my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. This was one of the best, if I may call it, safari or zoo that I've visited so far. And it was not a waste, it was not a loss. Yeah, those 3 real worth it. And to mention, there are some like restaurants inside, or some places you can buy something to eat, but in the place there are no many shops, so if you're planning to, or you have children, you can bring something with you from home. Thank you for watching. Goodbye, see you next time. Bye bye.